So here we have the Ford Ecosport on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further, and this tray section will lift and remove to give you even more space again. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, on the right hand side the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom we have the coolant temperature gauge and the fuel gauge, and above that the main trip computer for the car, which includes the total miles in the top left hand corner. They are 26,191. You can see we have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed there. You can change that for various different menus, so navigation for example, your audio, telephone, settings, your trip computer, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here. We have cruise control and speed limiter beneath that. On the right hand side we then have stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after you paired up the phone to the car, and that is done on the touchscreen up here. So you would go to connect a phone and then add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. As I've already mentioned, this car's got satellite navigation. We've done a video showing how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. But it's a lovely, clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. And we started off here. This is the audio menu. We have AM, FM and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. This car's also got two separate USB inputs, so if you plug devices into those, they will appear up here as further options for you. Working our way down, we have the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on. Same button to turn it off, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of both the fan speed and direction of the air. You can override that manually at any time you wish to and put it back on your own settings here. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Below that we have the two USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago. We can turn off the traction control. We can also turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And then finally we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.